So, after going into the past, we go into the future with our next TV show review. And we're doing 12 Monkeys. The TV show, not the movie. So, honestly, I'll start this review by saying I wasn't a big fan of the Bruce Willis film that this TV show is based off. I saw a bit of 12 Monkeys the film and turned off halfway through because I wasn't that interested. I only bothered with this show because it had Aaron Stanford in and Noah Bean, and I really enjoyed them when they were in Nikita from 2010 to 2014. Check out Nikita, it's a brilliant TV show. So, I went into this with my kind of blindfolded, not knowing what to expect. And I wasn't disappointed. And that's for me. I think when we've done film to TV show stuff, I have been disappointed with things, but this one I wasn't disappointed in. Firstly, my main feel for this was it felt like the Sarah Connor Chronicles, which was also based on a film franchise. Granted, Sarah Connor was based on Terminator, which was a massively successful film franchise. However, the last couple of films have been a bit pants. But this felt really much like the Sarah Connor Chronicles to me. The two-way narrative, the narrative in 2015, the narrative in 2043, running side by side, is interesting. I think it would have got a bit confusing if they didn't tell you what year each character was in. But that works quite well. That actually does work quite well. Other good things is the change in worlds, because there's like 30 years between each times, is well kind of thought out. You had like a Stargate atmosphere for 2045 and a normal atmosphere for the modern for now. Let's go on to the storyline. When these two narratives come together through Aaron Stanford, the storyline, it works well. It doesn't work as well as other shows, but it works well. It's easy to follow. It's easy to follow as it snakes round. But there's shows with better narratives and better storylines, in my opinion. I'm not saying it's a bad storyline. It's a good show. It's a good storyline, but I think Outlander has a better storyline because it's more in depth, more involved, and you find that out in series 2. Onto the direction. Trying to create two worlds is hard. They do it quite well. The direction is good. Yeah, the direction's good. They do well. And it also comes through in the acting. Granted, Aaron Stanford isn't the best one in this. I would say the best actor for me was Kirk Avedo, who was in the one with Joshua Jackson, not Supernatural. The J.J. Abrams TV show with Joshua Jackson in, and the title of it escapes me. I could go there into my DVD collection, but I'm not. I think he's the best actor of that whole series. Stanford does well. Bean does well. The lead female does well. The woman who plays Jones does well, but you hardly ever see her. So, yeah, they do well, but Avedo comes up. Fringe. The show's called Fringe. But Avedo comes up, like, to the top in this. That's for me. Would I recommend this TV show? If you're a fan of sci-fi, 90s sci-fi movies, yes, it's a definite watch for you. It definitely is. However, if you're into more modern sci-fis, if you're more into like Fringe and Lost, and I don't know, Falling Skies, I don't think this would be for you because it's more of an old school thing with time travel. But that's my feeling. Anyway, that's my review of 12 Monkeys. Another ramble. I will see you next time. Peace.